Today, we're going to build Wall-E using 9 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is grab a black Travis brick, and the big hole on the Travis brick is going to be the back of Wall-E. So just face that backwards, and on this underneath stud, we're going to get a T-bar, and just put that T-bar into the hole of that bottom stud, and it should be lined up to the big hole like this. Alright, so it's just straight across the back, and then in the front, we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece and put that in the front to be like the trash compactor door that Wall-E has, where, shoves trash in there and then compacts it down and eternally as he tries to clean up Earth. And then back to the bottom, this T-bar, we're going to get these Tecnnick lift arms. You notice there's 2 holes. Well, we're going to put the first hole in the T-bar and have it face backwards, and that's going to give us a good look. Now unfortunately it looks better this way, but it also kind of creates it a little bit difficult to balance. So we're going to do it 2 times. He will balance, but it does take some patience to get him to balance. So I'm choosing look since I plan on not moving him after I use him. And now he does have the 2 treads, and as we go to the side, we got these 2 side studs. Well, that's where we're going to put Wall-E's arms, and for his arms we're going to get this 1x1 plate with clip on side, and we're just going to kind of pop it there on the side stud. And sometimes these treads will get in your way, so you might have to move them a bit to get that arm in, but it's really simple to do, and you're going to kind of figure that out naturally. So put the clip on the other arm or side, and now we've got Wall-E coming to life. And for the top stud, the last stud we have available, we're going to get a round yellow stud or plate to put on top, and that's going to act as Wall-E's neck. And so now we've got Wall-E's neck. All we have left is his head, and for his head we're just going to get a minifigure binocular, and they've got those nice holes in the bottom that you put on top of the round stud we just put on, and there is our completed Wall-E.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.